The eCart system has many different components to cover the needs of our customers. Flexibility in the design layout and the ability to expand and rework are an important feature of the Logomat eCart system. To meet layout dimensions, the aluminum extrusion design allows for incremental length changes within a 100mm grid. Tracks use connector brackets, allowing for easy installation of pre-built sections. Additional connections to the track rotates can be easily added if layout changes are required. Other components are available to create your desired layout. Please visit our website to talk to our sales professionals who can help put a 2D layout together for you. There are many components and features of the eCart system to help you meet the needs of your line. Each eCart is able to drive in two directions as instructed at a stop unit. In this practical example, the orientation of the part is flipped for operator access by reversing the eCart off the rotate. The track power rail orientation was flipped to allow for this to happen. Rotate unit rotation speed is affected by the customer part size since the customer's outermost edge travels the fastest. When empty, the rotate can spin faster to reset for the next eCart, saving lost time. Here's the stop unit, which can be found under the track at any stopping location. The stop unit communicates with the eCart using NFC, giving rapid access to the eCart number while still traveling. After the eCart stops, it can also read-write stored values, such as serial number, or make adjustments such as eCart travel speed or direction through the customer PLC communication. A stop unit is paired with any locate, rotate, or shuttle unit. A high-level track sensor, which you see here, can be used for accumulation or clearance around lift gates. It can also be used to show an eCart is clear of a rotate or shuttle, or together with a stop unit to allow the component to move sooner and save takt time. The laser distance sensor, you see here, is mounted on the front and rear of each eCart. It will keep the eCart spaced out for non-contact accumulation. Distance settings are adjustable by customer signals when an eCart is at a stop unit. Here's a before and after of eCarts receiving a customer signal for shorter distance spacing. This is typically used to increase the accumulated parts where no operators need to move through. Continuous flow strategies can also be implemented to meet customer flow needs. The speed is also adjustable with customer signals at a stop unit. One use is to speed up a return after a product is offloaded. Higher speeds are possible in guarded sprint zones by adding safety sensors to the eCart and sensor strips under the track in these areas. With walkable covers, a low track, and no moving components, the system is very accessible to cross the track. With a Performance Level D safety system, the eCart can safely stop when operators come in contact. The upper bumper you see here would be provided by the customer, but when connected into the eCart safety circuit, it ensures a safe stop. The wire basket comes with a standard system to carry low voltage and controls wiring of the eCart system. It can also hold similar customer wiring. This other basket is an option for customers to run high voltage around the line for power supplies. If an eCart or customer part needs to be pulled off the line, it can be possible to send it to a removable docking tray for offline work. If a fault occurs on the eCart, operators are able to see the fault data on the screen and reset the fault locally after ensuring everything is clear. Customers may add easy-to-follow graphics to see the layout and status of the system as shown in this example. It is possible to access each Logomat Smart module through an HMI interface to see status for troubleshooting as well as configure and change the settings of the unit. Mechanical and electrical installation of the Logomat eCart system is fully thought out with modular designs and pre-assembled components. Following a simple top view layout with numbered sections, tracks can be dropped in, aligned, and leveled. Brackets will connect tracks and the tracks will be anchored. New tracks are connected to rotates and other components with simple interfaces. Electrically, track connections will be made with a few screws and pre-made cables are already labeled for technicians to connect. The Logomat installation team has years of experience building and installing the eCart system. Our team brings a big benefit to our customers by making sure things are done right and by working efficiently to cut down install time by half compared to those not as familiar with the system. The eCart system has a simple controls architecture, which is similar to that to a palletized roller conveyor system. The tracking commands for each eCart will come through the stop units throughout the line. With this, it's simple to add or remove an eCart from the line, which requires no programming changes or teaching of the line PLC. We know that a quick and straightforward integration process will save our customers time and money. To help here, we have developed our own PLC building blocks, which have all of the interfaces built into them for controlling the system and taking advantage of all the options available. We offer a free controls training at our facility where our team will walk you through the system capabilities and controls interfaces. They will work directly through programming examples on the show conveyor we have at our facility and allow customers to test their own programs so they know that they will work before the system is delivered. We hope that you've enjoyed this quick run through of our show conveyor. We'd be happy to welcome you to our facility for a more in-depth walkthrough of the system. Along with system overviews, we also offer sessions on controls and maintenance training. Please visit our website for contact information and to schedule a visit. Each eCart is able to drive in two directions as instructed at a stop unit. In this practical example, the orientation of the part is flipped for operator access by reversing the eCart off the rotator.